Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited before, it's just a simple search, King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're out here again in Lee Summit, Missouri. We are finishing up getting all of our piers installed under the footing. Here's a couple on the side of the house here. And we have concrete ready to start encasing these piers in high-strength concrete. We're going to vibrate the concrete to fully encase the pier under the footing. And then after that, we'll get all these cracks sealed here on the foundation walls. This one really opened up from lifting the pier here. But once that is done, we will get all the cracks sealed, apply commercial foundation tar from the top of the footing up a few feet, and then backfill. So I wanted to show those two in the garage. If you go back, I think we showed it on our first video, there was almost an arch to the middle of the garage here. So we actually were able to bring both ends back up where they should be. You can see some of that drywall right there has cinched up, so that is a really good before and after for this project. We've also been confirming with the homeowners today before shooting this video. They were checking the floor in a bunch of the bedrooms on the opposite end of the house, and everything is where it should be. You can no longer roll a soda can from the kitchen to the front living room window. So that's how bad it was before we started this project. So went through a couple different tests in there earlier today. So everything is looking very good. They're happy. We're gearing up to finish up this project here in about a day and a half. So stay tuned for more updates. You'll always be able to find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just visit, again, search for King Piers LLC. Leave a like and subscribe when you visit over there. Really, it's just a great tool to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair, doing it engineering sound, doing it correctly the first time. And if you're dealing with any kind of what you may think is a foundation issue, we likely have a video of the best way to remedy that. So again, King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.